probiotic benefits, and why healthy gut can ward off many illnesses. How to improve your gut health. Do you know your gut microbiome? Is it healthy or unhealthy? Based on scientific research, a healthy gut means good health and long life. The human body contains trillions of fungi, bacteria, and viruses, or what is known as the microbiome. Some of these microbiomes are very crucial for your overall health, such as a healthy immune system, your weight, heart, and other vital organs in your body. An unhealthy gut is dangerous to your health because it can lead to all sorts of diseases, including life-threatening illnesses. We only associate harmful stomach bacteria with gas and bloating, diarrhea, heartburn, and upset stomachs. But what most of us don't know is that an unhealthy gut could lead to heart disease, excessive weight gain, diabetes, acid reflux, skin irritation, trouble sleeping, anxiety disorder, depression, lack of energy, and many more. So how do you know if your gut is healthy or not? And if all the health concerns you have are somehow related to your gut health? The answer is a simple one. Find out. Get your gut health test today. It is quick and relatively inexpensive. Hi everyone, this is Waysandhow. And this video is sponsored by Ombre Lab. Ombre Lab is a company that specializes in healthy gut testing, but they do more than gut testing. What is very special about Ombre is that once your test is completed and you receive your unique gut microbiome report, you will also receive a science-backed probiotic recommendation specific to you. And even more importantly, you will get diet and food suggestions or recommendations specific to you. The Ombre Lab Gut Test is relatively inexpensive and will cost you much less if you use the coupon code in the description below to save $30. The procedure is straightforward. They will send you the test package with your unique activation code plus instructions. Then you collect your sample using the swab and tube provided for you. Then mail your sample with the prepaid USPS box you received with your package. Gut dysbiosis is an imbalance of healthy and unhealthy microbes, and it can cause you to gain weight. Again, if you are concerned about why you have trouble losing weight, it could be your gut health. If you have trouble sleeping, have acid reflux, constant upset stomach, skin irritation, diabetes, meningitis, heart problem, constant tiredness, and many other issues, they could all be related to unhealthy bacteria in your gut. And the only way to know for sure is to get tested. Because what is ailing you could be as simple as fixing your gut microbiome by getting your Ombre at-home test kit to analyze your poop for good and bad bacteria. The Ombre Lab Gut Test is safe and inexpensive. Their science-backed probiotic recommendation and food suggestion explicitly made for you could mean the difference between leading a healthy and long life and suffering from lifelong debilitating diseases. Click on the link in the description to get your $30 discount code and get tested today. It could save your life. Known facts about your gut health. Your gut is vital to the health of the rest of your body. When it's defective, your gut lining can develop cracks and holes that let partially digested food, toxins, and bacteria into your bloodstream. And when this happens, it could lead to inflammation that can cause various health problems. Chronic fatigue, autoimmune diseases, allergies, acne, hypothyroidism, plus other conditions mentioned previously in this video. Get your home gut test done today. It could be the life-saving solution you have been waiting for. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.